I am to forward here with a copy of the RTA application dated so and so in respect of Sri Devaprasad Hallar, which is closely related to the function of your group, with the request to provide the requisite accessible information as sought for within 5 days. That too has not been complied with.
If the second appeal is pending, how can we interfere here?
Thereafter CIC application has been made to the CIC, Chief Information Commissioner.
So we can direct the second appeal to be heard out expeditiously at least. The petitioner sought an information, however,
for a long period, they have all the remedies I have exhausted,
No, you have not, because second appeal is pending.
No, second appeal is pending, time is over. And thereafter, your lordship kindly have a look after second appeal, page 26.
Start your arguments when I start passing my order. Go sure. Please complete your arguments. Let me pass my order now. Yes, what is your argument?
That is at page 26. That is the CIC, the commissioner.
I don't get it. Your second appeal is not pending now.
Second appeal is pending.
If second appeal is pending, ventilate your grievances there.
My lord, I have ventilated. Time is over.
And what time for what is over? Under which provision?
My lord, that
time is over means what do you mean by that?
Second appeal, my lord, within 60 days they will provide
that timeline is over.
Yes.
I'll direct that to be done.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has applied for information, being unable to elicit elicit such information, ultimately a second appeal had to be preferred by the petitioner, which is now pending, It is argued that the time for disposal of the said appeal, that is 60 days, is now over. However, the appeal is still pending. Next para. Upon hearing learned counsel for the parties, WPA 8595 of 2023 is accordingly disposed of by directing it is pending before the which respondent?
Appellate Authority Finance Audit Department. I am saying that is before the Appellate Authority Joint Secretary, respondent number 3.
Directing the respondent number 3 to dispose of the second appeal pending at the behest of the petitioner as expeditiously as possible, positively within November 30, 2023. Next para. No rest of urgency.
One indulgence, that is respondent 2 and 3, whoever may be the Appellate Authority, although I have
cannot pass such vague orders. Yes. Thank you. Next.
No, I have Appellate Authority.